Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Amber, please make sure our friends are safe. Helly, get the mail.
I'm on it!
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want.
Mater, let's go. You're on.
With my trailer.
I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your personal appearance.
No.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Springs, the glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66, the Mother Road.
Axelrod, I'm sorry to interrupt.
No, it's all right.
I just wanted to come down here and to personally thank you.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Who'll be damning that?
Hey, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Start right there in the hood, right there.
Correction acknowledged. Deploying chute.
As close as I can. Your suit will transmit your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
That's because it's cool.
Great. I'm Agent Shiftwell, Holly Shiftwell from the Tokyo station. I have...
He just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car in L1's
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
You think you know him so well, yeah, you think he's so swell, but it's just that you...
Hey!
La la. Drive around the obstacles.
Huh? An obstacle?
Sure, I can do this.
I don't see how you have a choice.
Okay, but that runway is moving.
We'll set you up on the glide path.
Runways are...
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute, what if he tries to run again?
Chiquis, con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just...
go. Hey, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man! No.
Looks like we got some work to do.
You ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clap.
The only one here. 3, 5, they're everywhere. And they're all closing in on... Oh no!
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't forget Lightning McQueen.
He's the Sodor Search and Rescue Center breakdown truck.
Fizzling firebox!
All in all, must be finished for good. McQueen cannot win the last.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Hollow! There's a dirt track there. That's what I need to race against actual great